Hello viewers, I'm Maitri. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths sets, exercise 1.5, fourth sum over here. Let's see the question. If universal set is given as to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and set B equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. They asked us to verify that in the first Roman letter it is A union B the whole complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. We are going to take the first one. In the first one, LHS. Let's take the LHS of the first one, that is A union B the whole complement. For that we need to know A union B first. So A union B will be, always we need to find the bracket first. So A union B is A and B, everything we need to write but only once. So your A union B will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this will be A union B. We need to find A union B the whole complement. Leaving the A union B, we need to write the rest in the universal set. So the rest will be 1, 9. So I am going to write this to be equation 1 because we have found LHS. Now I am going to move to RHS. For RHS, we need to know A complement and B complement to find the intersection of these two. So A complement will be leaving A, the rest in the universal set. Complements are leaving that number, the rest in the universal set. So leaving A, the universal will be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So we need to find B complement. So B complement is leaving this, the rest in the universal set. So it will be 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. Now we need to find the intersection of these two. Intersection is the same elements in the set. So the same elements are 1 and 9. Now check 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we get 1 and 9 to be the set, so they are equal. From 1 and 2, A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So hence verify. They have asked us to verify. We have verified it. So we need to write hence verified. We will move on to the second subdivision. Second subdivision is A intersection B. In LHS they have asked us to find A intersection B the whole complement. For that we need to find A intersection B first. So A intersection B the common elements in A and B. So the common elements of A and B are 2. That's all, it's only 2. So now we need to find A intersection B the whole complement. A intersection B the whole complement is leaving 2, the rest in universal set, that is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will be my LHS. So I am writing it to be 1. Now we'll move on to the next one. And the RHS they asked us to find A complement union B complement. But we have already found A and B complement. So A complement union B complement means everything in A complement and every number in B complement, but only once. It is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm writing all the elements of A complement and B complement. I get this. Now verify this. Everything is same. All the elements of LHS is equal to the RHS. So from 1 and 2, seeing 1 and 2, we come to know that A intersection B the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So we need to write hence verified. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.